Alright folks, welcome back to QCart TV. If you don't know anything about this video is about the unboxing for the DDR4 RAM that I bought for my computer. So this is a series of unboxing videos, so go back and check the playlist of this upload. Welcome to QCart TV, and yeah, today is an unboxing video for computer stuff. So yeah, if you watched the previous video, which was the SSD NVMe, then go back and watch that one. If you've not watched it, but this one, I'm going to do another unboxing. So in this box, which arrived here, there's one more thing I actually bought, which arrived, and which is the Corsair DDR4 RAM. I got this for a really good deal. You know, I bought two of these because I just got it for a really good deal. I'm just like, wow. So we're gonna have a look at one of them because I bought two. I wanted to buy four, but then I said to myself, why do I need so much? Because one of these are 16 gigabytes and I have two, so I have 32 gigs of RAM. So yeah, this one is from Corsair. All right. I think it's for the Chinese market, but it's a Chinese market stock. So yeah, but yeah, it supports the Intel i7 and all the stuff there. But we're interested to look at the RAM inside. Vengeance LPX memory, right? This is 16 gigabytes, DDR4 to 400, and it has a latency of. Let me check. I have to open up this thing, then we can only see the inside of the box and see the latency of the RAM, because right now I cannot read because of the text is so small. So we're just gonna open one because the other one is just a duplicate. The other piece of RAM is just a duplicate. So what do you get in the box? So we get the RAM, and that's it. There's nothing more in the box. Nothing more in the box. That's it. Okay, great. Right, so that's the box. Really nice, simple box. DDR4. Here's the RAM that you all folks are looking at. Vengeance DDR4 LPX. Actually, Corsair is a very good brand. Actually, I have the Corsair Dominator RAM, which is like the top end version of the RAM in my other computer, which is very nice. Corsair Dominator was like the platinum one was like beautiful, but yeah, I have those as well. I really love Corsair RAM. They're really nice, and this is how the RAM looks like. Yeah, so it's there. Vengeance. It's sandwiched with a heatsink. How it looks like. If you guys want to have a 3D look at it, look at it. It has the pins here, gold pins. This part's a little bit shiny. DDR4, and then the latency at the back. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll read it. It is made in Taiwan. DDR4, 16 gigabytes, 2400 megahertz. The timing is 16, 20, 20, 38 in 1.2 volts. This product is revision 3.4. So yeah, a lot of people don't talk about the revision 3.4, but in the product design, if your revision 3.4 or newer, means the product is being refined. Despite it being the same product, it's always refined to become a better product, despite being the same product. So in product design, if they have a revision code here, if it's even better, a newer one, the product has been refreshed, but it's the same product, just become a new version of it. Yeah. So if you have a better version, it's better. So that's that, right? So basically, sometimes they have a new version of the same product, and it's actually been like fixed some errors or whatever in the old product. Yeah. So the version number, they always in product design, is very important. So to actually refresh the product, sell it again. New version is even better than the old version. So I don't know how many versions they made, but this is how it looks like. DDR4. All right, folks. So that is the unboxing of the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. So if you like this content, give it a like and subscribe, and we're going to move on to the next video, which is the unboxing of the processor. So stay tuned to see what processor did I buy for this unboxing video for the PC, and we stay tuned to the next video.